Meet Rohan Goyal, a tax professional just like you. He's great at his work, but he's juggling leads in Excel, WhatsApp, and notes on his phone. He follows up late or not at all, and that costs him real business. He forgets who to call next, quotes are delayed, clients slip away. Sales is the fuel for Rohan's growth. More clients, more revenue, more stability. But without a system, everything slips. Does this sound familiar? Are you also managing leads and sales in bits and pieces? That's exactly why we created Nexus Sales. When professionals like you started asking for a solution, we knew what was needed. Do you know how much sales you've done this year? And how much more you can achieve? Now zoom in, how about this month? How much is done and what's still pending? With Nexus Sales, track your sales target versus actual. See real-time charts and monthly progress. What gets tracked grows. Why are some deals easy and some always stuck? Do you know your strengths and bottlenecks in sales? Use the SWOT analysis inside Nexus to reflect and plan. Note strengths, spot weaknesses, uncover threats, and discover opportunities. Get a detailed report to analyze each point deeply and take informed actions. Every sale starts with a lead. Enter them easily, assign a client, choose service, add tags and source, and track where your leads are coming from, like referral, website, event, or walk-in. Simple entry, clear tracking. No more missed opportunities. Do you chase every lead the same way? Not all leads are equal. With lead scoring, Nexus automatically categorizes your leads as hot, warm, or cold based on smart criteria we've built into the system. Prioritize your efforts. Nexus reminds you with timely updates. It sends web dashboard alerts, WhatsApp messages, and emails. Wherever you are, you'll know what to do next. No more missed follow-ups. Tired of spending hours just to send one quote? Sending a quote should take minutes, not hours. Use Nexus to generate professional quotations, clean, ready to share, and downloadable in proposal format. Once shared, you can convert them into leads and track further progress. Simple, fast, and effective. Let's set things up. Start from the settings. Add your clients manually or by importing a CSV. Or scan their visiting card in the app. Or import directly from your phone contacts in the app. Add your services, employees, meeting types, tags, and tasks. Upload clients' documents. Keep everything organized and easily accessible. Export client data into Excel anytime. Transfer the data using CSV files into other systems like practice management tools or accounting software. Update your profile with branding and contact info so you can share your profile, visiting card, and quotations with your details. Enjoy a 1-month free trial, no strings attached. Want to see how your clients or services are performing? Nexus gives you ready-made reports by month, by service, by leads, and even by custom tags you set. View meetings in a clean calendar layout, see what's scheduled today, tomorrow, and for the coming week right on your dashboard. Export in Excel. Analyze anytime. Make smart, data-driven decisions. This is not just a software. This is your sales partner. Simple to use, built by experts. With a system of inbuilt guidance at every step. Nexus tells you what to do next. It guides you based on where you are in your practice, helping you grow step by step. You don't have to remember everything. Nexus will. Give your sales the importance it deserves. No sales, no growth. Invest a small budget in the right system and watch your practice grow. Start your free trial today.